Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today we'll read Learn with Peppa Pig. Let's count on the farm. So come on little explorers out there. Let's explore through the pages filled with Peppa's cheerful friends and farmyard fun. So let's get started. Peppa's class is on a field trip at the farm. Let's play a counting game of I Spy, says Madame Gazelle. Peppa, will you find one thing and give the first clue? Okay, Peppa says. I spy with my little eye one thing that's big and red. I know, says Susie Sheep. It's one tractor. The class follows Mrs. Badger and her tractor to the fields. Because Susie guessed correctly, she gives the next clue. I spy with my little eye two things made of straw. I've got it, shouts Emily Elephant. They are straw bales, 1, 2. 1 and 2. Emily is right. She gets to give the next clue in the cornfield. I spy with my little eye 3 things wearing hats. Dinosaur, George says. George, those aren't dinosaurs, says Peppa. There are 3 scarecrows. 1, 2, 3. George is too little to give a clue. So at the chicken coop, Mrs. Badger surprises them with a clue of her own. I spy with my little eye 4 things with beaks. I know, says Freddy Fox. It's 4 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a field full of flowers, Freddy gives the next clue. I spy with my little eye 5 things that fly. Candy Cat knows just what to guess. It's 5 butterflies. Meow. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Peppa and her friends find a hill with a tool shed at the top and a garden at the bottom. Your Candy Cat gives the next clue. I spy with my little eye 6 things that are tall. So a zebra goes to the bottom of the hill for a closer look. Oh, it's these 6 sunflowers. They're very tall. Let's count the sunflowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the pond, it's Zoe's turn to give a clue. I spy with my little eye 7 things with yellow wings. Rebecca Rabbit knows the answer. Here is the rabbit. It's 7 ducks. Let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! Mrs. Badger is back to give Peppa and her friends another clue. I spy with my little eye 8 baby animals? Pedro Pony has an answer. Chicks are baby chickens, and there are 8 of them here. Nay. Don't you mean peep peep? Peppa says with a laugh. It's almost time to go, but there are still more things to count on the farm. But before that, let's count the baby chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, Pedro. Like 9 surprise rain clouds and 10 muddy puddles to jump in with friends. So let's count the clouds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now comes my favorite, the muddy puddles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The end. Thank you for listening. If you love our videos, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye, kids.